Good morning. I am Dr. Dhaval Karoria and she is my wife Dr. Rasmi Karoria. We welcome you to today's morning assembly where we are going to be your host as well as your dost. Now over to my better half.
Dhaval, I really wonder why are husband and wife known as better half for each other?
Rasmi, husband and wife are incomplete without each other. They are soulmates and thus known as better half.
I agree. Soulmate is someone whose way of viewing life is not same as yours but complement yours.
True, just like us.
Dhaval, now please don't start our love life stories here. We are here to host the assembly of TGS.
I know, dear, and today's assembly is actually meant to have the glimpses of this beautiful relationship through the memorable experiences of couples like us.
What are you saying, Dhaval?
Yes, today is 20th March, National Proposal Day for Marriage, and the theme of our assembly is Wonderful We Forever. Hashtag WWF.
It is so true. When we are together, we are wonderful. And to make this journey a lifelong memory, we became WWF sometimes.
Marriage is meant to celebrate the similarities and enjoy the differences. It is a relationship made in heaven, gifted by God.
With these feelings, let us welcome Miss Dharti Nathwani, owing prayers to the Divine Almighty, symbol of love and affection, an idol for true relationship, with a wonderful prayer, song sung by Neha ma'am.
नमस्ते। राधा जो सुंदर है, सरल है, समर्पित है अपने कन्हैया को और उन्हीं के रंग से रंगी है। राधा जो खुद से बहुत ही दूर पर कान्हा से उतनी ही नज़दीक है और इसीलिए भक्ति का रूप है। और ऐसी राधा रानी जब अपने कन्हैया की पूजा करती है तो कैसा अलौकिक दृश्य आँखों के सामने खड़ा होता है। आइए देखते हैं इस गाने के माध्यम से मन बसिया। धन्यवाद। रंग रसिया ओ कान्हा, पवन प्रभाते जग को जगाते, अविरति करते हैं गुंजन, पंख पसारे उड़े पखेरु, सिंदूरी सिंदूरी आंगन, मंगल सौरभ सारा भुवन, इन चरणों में फूल चढ़ा के आई तेरी राधा मोहन। मन बसिया ओ कान्हा, रंग रसिया ओ कान्हा। बुध बोली मुझको लागे तेरी लगन, तेरे द्वारे सांझ सकारे, तेरा नाम जपे मेरा मन, जय जय मेरा सब है तेरा, तुझ पे है ये जीवन अर्पण, इन चरणों में फूल चढ़ाने आई तेरे राधा मोहन। मन बसिया
It was indeed an eternal thought, viewed as a wonderful prayer. May Lord Krishna bless all the couples.
Right. Blessing to love, value, respect, and appreciating each other for small little things we do in our life.
Rasmi, appreciation is a very small but an important gesture which most of the time we miss upon expressing in words.
I agree, Dhaval, but today we have a few couples who will show their way of appreciating each other, wherein expressing their love, which makes them wonderful together. Let us welcome our first group of couples for the lines of appreciation. Dil se dil tak.
As I lay on my couch writing a poem, I think of you, my poetry.
As I lift the veil of my frivolous thoughts, I find comfort in you, my poetry.
As the rhythm of life's songs fills the air with melody, I look around and seek you, my poetry.
As I travel far to the sands and seas, to the hills and trees, to the days of the past and coming many, I find solace in you, my poetry.
I look at our child in his cuddly smile, no less than a gift from a fairy.
I look in his eyes, so much like yours, the only ones which make mine teary. I think about you and only you, my poetry.
ना महफिल में देखा ना फसाने में देखा, ना महफिल में देखा ना फसाने में देखा, ना तुम सासिन को इस जमाने में देखा।
तेरे आने के बाद जिंदगी कुछ यूं ही बदल सी गई, तेरे आने के बाद जिंदगी कुछ यूं ही बदल सी गई, आंखों में नमी कम सी हो गई और खुशियां बढ़ती गई।
एक मैं हूँ क्या ना कभी सवाल कोई, एक मैं हूँ क्या ना कभी सवाल कोई, एक तुम हो जिसका कोई जवाब नहीं।
तुझे एहसास भी नहीं तू मेरे लिए क्या है, तुझे एहसास भी नहीं तू मेरे लिए क्या है, पहले आदत फिर जरूरत और अब जिंदगी बन गए हो।
निगाह उठे तो सुबह झुके तो शाम हो जाए, निगाह उठे तो सुबह झुके तो शाम हो जाए, अगर तुम मुस्कुरा भी भर दो तो पहले आम हो जाए।
अखियाँ मेरी पूछ रही है दिल को, मेरे चैन नहीं है किथे लड़ाइयाँ, तू अखियाँ किथे लड़ाइयाँ वे, कैसे तुझको मैं बताऊँ राहें तेरी तकती जाऊँ नींदा चुराइयाँ, तू मेरी या नींदा चुराइयाँ वे।
धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना। धड़कन ये कहती है बिन तेरे दिल धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना। तुझ में रात में तुझ में दिन मेरे, लम्हा एक जियो ना मैं तो बिन तेरे।
है तेरे साथ सफर जाना मुझे है किधर, ये बीत जाए तुझ में ये उम्र, एक पल की भी अब तो दूरी ना मुझको देना, एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना, एक तू ही यार मेरा, मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना।
આજે હૃદય પર નિબંધ લખવાની કોશિશ કરી, આજે હૃદય પર નિબંધ લખવાની કોશિશ કરી, બસ એક તારું નામ લખ્યું અને નિબંધ પૂરો થઈ ગયો.
કોણ કહે છે જન્મો જન્મનો સાથ એટલે પ્રેમ? કોણ કહે છે જન્મો જન્મનો સાથ એટલે પ્રેમ? હું કહું છું બસ એક પલનો સાથ અને જન્મો જન્મનો અહેસાસ એટલે પ્રેમ છે.
ઉંમર અને જિંદગીમાં ફરક બસ આટલો જ, ઉંમર અને જિંદગીમાં ફરક બસ આટલો જ. જે તારા વગર વીતે એ ઉંમર અને જે તારી સાથે વીતે એ જિંદગી.
મારી જિંદગી પર તમારી એવી અસર છે, મારી જિંદગી પર તમારી એવી અસર છે. દુનિયા માટે તમે એક વ્યક્તિ જ છો, પણ મારા માટે તો આખી દુનિયા જ તમે છો.
તારા વિના મારી દરેક સાંજ હતું, તારા વિના મારો દરેક શ્વાસ હતો.
અપૂર્ણ જો દરેક રીતે જોતું ન હોય, તારા વિના મારી આઝાદ હતી.
શબ્દો ખૂટતા નથી, સંઘાર ખોઈ જો તારો, તારા વિના મારી દરેક વાત હતી.
તુજ થકી જીવું છું, જો ચહેરો ન જોઉં તારો, જાણી લો આ મારી પ્રભાત.
वाह 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 वाह, सच में दिल को छू जाने वाली बातें थी.
सुनो, मुझे भी तुमसे कुछ कहना है. The day you and I became we, it was the happiest moment, full of glee. We tied a knot and promised each other to make a room of love together. Walking hand in hand for these many years, with some laughter and some tears, we make a perfect couple who has been together in all the trouble.
क्या बात है, ये तो कुछ खास था. रश्मि, तुम्हारी ये बातें सुनकर मुझे हमारे पुराने दिन याद आ गए.
यादों में एक बात खास होती है, चाहे वो कितनी भी पुरानी क्यों ना हो, एक बार याद करने बैठो तो वो ताज़ा हो जाती है.
True, our life is defined by a series of moments. While we were living them, we didn't realize that we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. And as said, the best thing about memories is creating and reliving them.
Do you know, today we have few couples who believe in capturing the moments in their hearts and minds, and they are going to relive the same by sharing it with us. Here we welcome a group of couples for sharing their memories, recreating moments. क्या दिन थे वो.
ખૂટે ભલે રાતો પણ વાતો આ ખૂટે નહીં, વાતો એવી તારી મારી ચાલતી રહે આ રાત, ચાલતી રહે સદા. મીઠી મીઠી વાતો વાળી ચાંદને કહો આજે હાથ में नहीं, चांदने कहो आजे हाथ में नहीं. पल बीत जाए ना, वक्त रही जाए ना, बात अधूरी आजे चांदने कहो आजे हाथ में नहीं.
तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा करम खुदाया है तुझे मुझसे मिलाया है तुझ पे मर के ही तो मुझे जीना आया है ओ तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा और तेरे संग यारा खुश रंग बहारा मैं तेरा हो जाऊं जो तू कर दे इशारा।
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गए आ।
हाल कैसा है जनाब का,
क्या ख्याल है आपका,
तुम तो मचल गए हो
यूं ही फिसल गए आ। उड़ड़े 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 इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार, इतना करो ना मुझे प्यार।
साथिया तूने क्या कहा, बेलिया ये तूने क्या कहा,
यूं ना कभी करना इंतजार,
मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार, मैंने किया है तुमसे प्यार।
मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूं दुआएं मांगू रे, मैं यहाँ अपने लिए लगूं जिथे जावे तू ओथे जावे दिल दस की मैं करूं जो तू रुस जानी है दिल ये टूट जानी है तेरे संग संग रहा सारी कट जानी है मैं ता तेरे नाल रहना मान इन्ना मेरा कहना मेरी अखियों से होना कदी दूर ना तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना तेरे बिन नहीं लगदा दिल मेरा ढोलना
जब एल्बम खुली पुरानी तो चेहरा याद आ गया, हर किस्सा याद आ गया, वो पुरानी जिंदगी का हर हिस्सा याद आ गया। संदूक जब खोला मैंने अपनी यादों का तो सारी तस्वीरें धुंधला गई थी, बस यादें ताजा थी।
Wow, these little moments make big memories. Life is not measured by the number of breaths that we take, but by the small moments that take our breath away. Life will move on, but at least these memories are forever. It was really mesmerizing.
मुझे तो हमारी शादी के दिन याद आ गए।
शादी से याद आया, क्या आपको पता है कि कैसे आप मेरी वेडिंग रिंग लाना भूल गए थे?
हाँ, मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है, वो मैं कैसे भूल सकता हूँ, क्योंकि वेडिंग रिंग के बाद मैंने एक ही रिंग देखी है, वो है सफरिंग।
क्या क्या कहा आपने?
मैंने कुछ भी तो नहीं।
मुझे सब पता है, ये जो आप मन ही मन बड़बड़ा लेते हो मैं सब समझती हूँ।
अरे तुम तो रूठ गई, मैं तो मजाक कर रहा था। मेरी प्यारी रश्मि, मेरी बोली रश्मि।
हाँ, बोली हुई, इसीलिए आपको मेरी कोई भी बात याद नहीं रहती है। ना तो मेरा बर्थडे, ना तो मेरा फेवरेट खाना, ना तो मेरा फेवरेट कलर, यहाँ तक कि आपको तो हमारी शादी की सालगिरह भी याद नहीं रहती है।
हाँ, नहीं याद रहती है, क्योंकि मुझे ये याद है कि तुम मेरे साथ हो। अगर मैं कुछ भूल जाऊँ तो मुझे याद दिलाने के लिए तुम मेरे पास हो। I am not a perfect person, but I found a perfect partner in you.
We both are imperfect, who don't give up on each other to make our marriage perfect one.
Behind every happy couple lies two people who have fought hard to overcome all the obstacles and interferences to be that way. Why? Because it's what they wanted. Aren't great relationships supposed to just magically happen? Well, in fairy tales they do, I suppose. In real life they require keeping a finger on the pulse and making needed adjustment daily or weekly. The best relationships understand this.
To take us further, we have a few group of couples who want to share the little differences, ups and downs they had experienced in their lives, but still they are standing together as we. So let us listen to their khatti mithi yadein.
Hi, I'm Priya Mehta.
I'm Alok Mehta.
We are Alisha's parents.
As families, we come from two different backgrounds. Both of us are poles apart. She is the North Pole and I am the South Pole.
I'm the strict parent and he is the cool dad. Recently they both were painting and they started, creating a lot of mess. And I warned them a couple of times, but they continue to do so. So I took away their paints and I said them they won't get it until they understand, that they are not supposed to create so much mess.
I believe that painting is a very strong medium of expression and it should be encouraged whenever possible. But at the same time, creating a mess is something which we should also not encourage. We should try to find some middle ground when it comes to these kind of difficult decisions that we
You
have to
can't
make.
find middle ground in everything, sometimes they just have to have the consequences.
So both of us discuss a lot, talk a lot. Even though we are poles apart, we are the North Pole and South Pole, we usually meet somewhere around the equator.
Hi, હું મનીષ and she is Bhumi.
હાય, અમે બંને એક જ કોલેજમાં હતા, પણ ક્યારેય પણ કોલેજમાં મળ્યા ન હતા. એક વખત બહુમાળી ભવનમાં ડ્રામામાં પાર્ટ લેવા માટે સિલેક્ટેડ સ્ટુડન્ટ ગયા હતા, બધી કોલેજમાંથી. ત્યાં અમે ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ મળ્યા હતા.
મેં ભૂમિને ફર્સ્ટ ટાઈમ જોઈ, શોર્ટ હેર એન્ડ બ્યુટીફુલ ડ્રેસિંગ. આઈ એમ ઇન લવ. પણ પહેલાં મને એમ થતું હતું કઈ કોલેજની હશે. પછી બધા ઇન્ટ્રો આપ્યો ત્યારે ભૂમિએ સેમ કોલેજનું કીધું તો મેં એની સાથે બોલવાની બહુ ટ્રાય કરી, પણ એ મને ઇગ્નોર જ કરે અને મારી સાથે ફાઇટ જ કરે.
ફાઇટ જ કરો ને, કેમ કે ત્યાં બધા સ્ટુડન્ટ હતા એ ફ્રેન્ડલી બોલતા હતા, પણ મનીષ બધે ફોલો કરતો હતો કોલેજમાં, ત્યાં મારી સાથે બોલવાનો ટ્રાય કરતો હતો. એ મને ટીઝિંગ લાગતું હતું, મને ઇરિટેટ થતું હતું.
એક વાર તો કોલેજની બહાર મેં એક બોય સાથે એમના માટે ફાઇટ કરી, તો પાછી મને એમ કહે છે કે તને કોને કીધું તું મારા માટે ફાઇટ કરવાનું? કે તોય મારી સાથે ઝઘડો
હા, તો મેં કીધું હતું કે તું એ મારા માટે થઈને એમની સાથે ફાઇટ કર.
આવી જ રીતે મારી સાથે ફાઇટ કરે.
પણ પછી ડ્રામાનો જ્યારે લાસ્ટ ડે હતો ને, ફાઇનલ હતું ને, ત્યારે મનીષે મને પ્રપોઝ કર્યું અને ત્યારે મને પણ એના માટે ફિલિંગ્સ હતી અને મેં હા પાડી દીધી. અને અમે 1995 માં મળ્યા હતા અને મેરેજ કર્યા 2009 માં.
When do you remember experience of having first kid?
How can I forget that wonderful experience of my life?
We forgot to introduce ourselves. My name is Yasin Fulwala.
My name is Mrs. Farin Yasin Fulwala. Yes, that experience was just a magical experience of my life. The most memorable experience of my life was becoming a mother for the first time. And neither the second time also, it was just wonderful feeling of becoming a mother. It was just like making impossible possible due to my complicated pregnancies with them. It was, I couldn't have ever expected that I will ever be able to become a mother. But then I was blessed with the beautiful feeling of becoming a mother, and that was the most precious moment of my life. And I was feeling ecstatic, fantabulous, top of the world, cloud 9, amazing feeling. How was your feeling and experience?
Oh, that day I remember that pediatrician Dr. Fazal Nabi came out from the OT and he was just waving a baby in his hand, and far from the corner of Jaslok Hospital, Mumbai. I was just amazing. Why is showing me some baby toy? And he just called me and put a baby in my arms, and I was so excited and so happy, and tears of happiness were rolling out from my eyes, and that moment was really an uncomparable, and we can't express that moment. Still you can see that I'm so much excited. Whenever I remember 3rd day of June 2013, I feel with joy and happiness, and I fill with tears. That moment is really an incomparable. Do you remember what you asked me on that day?
Which was the most memorable moment of your life, becoming a CEO or becoming a father for the first time?
And I replied that I become a chartered accountant in 4 years, and I become a father after 5 years. That was really a tough days for you, Farin. Thanks God and thank you, Farin, for creating such a magical moment for us. We are blessed with 2 kids, Mohammad Zuhair and Abdullah. Thank you, kids, and love you, kids.
Love you both. Thanks to you too.
Thank you so much, Farin.
Hi, I am Prashant
Hello, I am Rashika. We are parents of Dhyana
and Kanishka. So today we are going to share our first fight incidents which happened at Aurangabad, and we both were studying. We both were in second year.
Yes, I was also in second year.
Yeah. So हुआ ये था कि it was a very okay. You tell. It's better you tell.
Okay, हुआ ये था कि एक्चुअली मुझे स्टेट आर्ट के लिए मुंबई जाना था, और मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन था, और मुझे वो दिन पे प्रशांत मेरे साथ चाहिए थे. लेकिन को इंसिडेंट ये हुआ कि मेरा ना तो कॉल प्रशांत रिसीव कर रहे हैं, ना तो मेरी पूरा दिन कोई बात हुई है, ना प्रशांत कहाँ पे है मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं।
या सो मैंने 3 बजे प्रॉमिस किया था, आई हैड टू कम एट 3 o'clock, लेकिन मुझे इमरजेंसीज आ गई, मेरे कॉल साइलेंस पे थे। 6 बजे जब मैं घर आता हूँ तो वी हैड ए गुड फाइट। इनिशियली इट वाज एन आर्ग्यूमेंट, देन वी फॉट फॉर हाफ एन आवर।
बहुत ज्यादा ही गुस्से थे हम
लोग मार्केट में गए, कुछ शॉपिंग किया, झगड़ा करते करते शॉपिंग किया, स्टेशन में गए, बैठे, एंड देन finally we patched up in WhatsApp at midnight, thanks to social media. काफी सारी बात होके काफी सारे मिस्टेक क्लियर हुए सोशल मीडिया पे, व्हाट्सएप पे हम लोग का पैचअप हुआ, लेकिन उस टाइम पे हम बहुत ही छोटे थे एंड वी फॉट, बट वी फॉट फॉर द गुड रीजन। वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर एंड वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नाउ। So that was a very.
I can understand his profession also, but कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घर के लिए भी होती है।
Correct, I agree.
So
ऐसे
वही शेयर था और कुछ नहीं।
या बट सिली था, लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स फर्स्ट हमेशा फर्स्ट रहता है। हमारी यादें खट्टी मीठी यादें हैं अभी वो, एंड थैंक यू।
તો મિત્રો, આ બધું સાંભળીને એટલું જ કહીશ કે સંબંધો એવા બનાવજો જેમાં શબ્દો ઓછા અને સમજ વધુ હોય, વિવાદ ઓછા અને સંવાદ વધુ હોય, પુરાવા ઓછા અને પ્રેમ વધુ હોય.
Marriage is like a huge painting where you brush your moments and create your own love story. After marriage, husband and wife are like two sides of a coin. They don't face each other, but still they stay together.
A great relationship doesn't happen because of the love you had in the beginning, but how well you continue building love until the end.
True. When you meet the one who changes the way your heart beats, dance with them to that rhythm for as long as the song lasts. So far, we have been a wonderful we that we are. So now it's time to make a promise to each other that during thick and thin, we will always support each other. Here we have a group of couple who are coming up with beautiful dancing into eternity together.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम अगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। हो चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम अगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा।
પ્રેમ અને આંસુની ઓળખ ભલે અલગ અલગ હોય પણ બંનેનું ગોત્ર એક જ હોય છે, હૃદય. What a fantastic performance. You all gave a real meaning to this beautiful relationship. Happy dancing.
This assembly has truly taught us the true meaning of being a life partner and the secret of healthy, happy and a successful marriage.
In all this, how can we forget our motherland India? The tradition and cultural thinking of this country teaches us the importance of a true relationship. Let us now pay tribute to its incredibility by raising ourselves for the national anthem. Assembly Saudhan.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Assembly Vishram.
To conclude, let us welcome an elderly but adorable couple who has witnessed the thick and thin of married life in a true sense. Let us welcome Mr. Ashok Khajuria and Mrs. Geeta Khajuria for Point 2 Socho.
Hello friends, I am Ashok Khajuria.
Namaste, I am Geeta Khajuria.
2nd March 1976, our marriage day. But what is a marriage? A marriage is not just a temporary relationship for the sake of pleasure or fun. It is not temporary at all. It is meant to be a permanent bond between a husband and a wife with their families. I must say our 45-year-long journey wasn't a bed of roses all the time either. We had our own bumpy patches. However, we made our lives amazingly pleasant and memorable just by respecting and caring for each other and our families.
મારા જીવનની સુંદર યાત્રામાં જ્યારે પણ મને કંઈ તકલીફ ઊભી થઈ ત્યારે મારા હસબન્ડે હંમેશા એક મિત્રની જેમ સાથ આપી હંમેશા મને પ્રોત્સાહિત કરેલ છે.
I have always admired her simplicity and control over her desires. In fact, she has always accepted whatever I could afford to give her. She also has tried to keep my family as happy as possible just to see me happy.
અમારા જીવનને સફળ બનાવવા અમે ઘણા કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝ કરેલ છે પણ તેના પરિણામ સારા આવ્યા તેનો મને આનંદ ઘણો છે.
The members of the present generation are usually of the same age group as well as similar backgrounds. Therefore, it is necessary that both of them should acknowledge and respect the qualities of their partners. They should help each other in raising their children and doing all the other household works. So friends, be humble, respectful, helpful and true to yourselves. મિત્રો, આશા છે કે અમારા અનુભવો આપના જીવનમાં પ્રેરણા સ્વરૂપ થશે.
શું તમે પણ તમારા જીવનમાં કોમ્પ્રોમાઇઝ કરવા તૈયાર છો? તમારી ઈચ્છાઓ પર કાબુ રાખો છો?
અને હા, શું આ બંને વચ્ચે 100% ટ્રાન્સપરન્સી છે? જરા સોચો.
A happy marriage is about three things: memories of togetherness, forgiveness of mistakes, and a promise to never give up on each other. With this thought, we come to the end of this assembly. I would like to thank each and every participant as well as the wonderful audience who has joined us to make this morning memorable one. Let us proceed towards an exit song that leaves a message for all of us to rejoice the blessing and promise to stay together as wonderful we forever.
Every now and then, for eternity, God bless the day when He gave me you. Every now and then, for a lifetime, I bless this day and cherish your faith in me. Gonna pray with you, walk with you, stay with you until the end. I'm gonna laugh with you, cry with you, breathe with you all my days. The road may be rough, weak and dark, bleak and tough, I promise to cherish you with all my heart.
In all my dreams, my earnest hope, I wish you